I am Dr. Punyavati C. Nagaraj. I am a consultant laparoscopic gynec surgeon at Punya Hospital, Bangalore. Usually patient comes with irregular menses, delayed periods, irregular flow during menses. It might be even excess or it may be less also. In that case, we have to take a proper history and along with baseline investigations like basic hormonal investigations plus ultrasound abdomen and pelvis. These investigations will reveal whether this patient has polycystic ovarian syndrome or not. When this patient comes with the initial symptoms, we can put them on a conservative treatment like diet and exercise. During our diet, she has to cut down high carbohydrate intake and fat intake, and we should schedule her exercise so that she will burn out some amount of fat, through which she may lose lot of testosterone, that is male hormone, and this will lead on to correct her irregular periods. PCOS with infertility woman, in such cases I would recommend to take a hormonal treatment along with the diet and exercise, which will enhance her fertility by increasing their chances of ovulation and increasing the endometrial quality and improving the motility of the fallopian tube. So overall it enhances the fertility. In such cases, we would recommend hormonal treatment along with a conservative line of treatment. In patients like PCOS with morbid obesity who is known to be diabetic or hypertensive, in such cases associated medical treatment to be recommended. Say for example type 2 diabetic, we may have to start with the metformin tablet so that glucose uptake will become better and insulin resistance may come down, so the diabetes status will come back to normal, along with the diet and exercise and along with other hormonal treatment. Some women may have PCOS along with hirsutism, that means excessive hair growth on her face and other parts of the body, where we may have to control these abnormal growth of the hair and hyperpigmentation of the skin. Still, such conditions we do recommend hormonal treatment. PCOS with infertility who has come with a failed medical or conservative line of management, I would recommend to undergo laparoscopic ovarian drilling, where we introduce laparoscopic instruments through a small tiny hole on the abdomen under anesthesia, and we inflate the abdomen. We look into the surface of the uterus, fallopian tubes, and we study both the ovaries, and we introduce a small needle through the laparoscopic port, and we puncture the small tiny follicles which is on the surface of the ovaries, and the content will be released so that estrogen level will come down, androgen level will come down. That patient automatically will start ovulating on a regular basis, and this enhances her fertility. So in such cases where chances of fertility will be increased if PCOS is the only cause for her infertility.